Tip number 1, whenever we start falling behind schoolwork in Becca or Alpha and Omega, we would sometimes during the 5 days of the week, we would designate each of our 5 subjects out for just that day. So if we were behind on Bible, we would do just Bible on Monday, and then we would do nothing else. We would finish our Bible, get caught up in Bible, and then we'd be done. But if we already had Bible completed, then we would do our lesson for that day and then move on to our next subject, like history, language, whatever it was. So, but if we weren't, then it would be Bible on Monday, history on Tuesday, language on Wednesday, so on and so forth. So that was really helpful for us whenever we were using that.
Tip number 2.
So name a way that you found something fun to help you get caught up with your schoolwork.
I started writing a report in language about birds because I like animals.
So you used your love for birds to focus on your literature and get caught up on your literature.
Mm-hmm. Tip number 3. One way I found how I can get caught up in my schoolwork is try not to cram it all in one day or all in 1 hour. I spread it out. Like, I take breaks in the middle of the day and just spread it out so then I don't get stressed and just, I don't know how to really explain it over that, but just, it helps me to spread it out instead of just cramming it all into one day, and just, it also helps with stress, and it eventually just gets me caught up. Yes, it may take me like a week or 2, but it gets me caught up.
Filming birds, since the youngest is technically not old enough to be able to talk on camera according to YouTube, her tip number 4 is she likes to combine some of her subjects. So one of the things that we have for free range for one of our subjects is we actually have the freedom and liberty to be able to choose what we do for literature, and any homeschooling parent can do that. So instead of just worrying about like, okay, you need to do your report in literature and do this report about this place in Tennessee history. Instead, what I'll do is I'll unassign one of her literature reports in literature class and double and have her just do the report in history and edit it like I would for her literature class. That way she's combining 2 classes at once, getting caught up and still focusing on her points of interest.
Tip number 5. Whenever your student is feeling really stressed about being behind and stuff, it's good to let them listen. If it's not too distracting, it's good to let them listen to music without words, like classical music, or sometimes we do ambience from our favorite movies. And it just really helps to cut down on the stress. And I find for me personally, it actually helps me focus better, and it has actually helped me before to get caught back up on schoolwork whenever I fall behind. Thank you everyone for watching. It's been amazing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to like as well. And ring that notification bell if you want to hear whenever we release a new video. So that is all for today. It's been wonderful seeing y'all, and I'll see y'all later.